We have a Ford Explorer all-wheel drive. Basically, this is a 6F series transmission, and it has a power takeoff unit on the transmission that goes to the rear differential. So we had one that we replaced. What we do is drill it. This unit is not serviceable. It has a fill plug, but it does not have a drain plug. So ultimately, when the fluid is serviced is actually when you replace it. So what we do is we drill this hole here, allowing us to remove the old fluid. It has enough meat there also, so we can effectively tap it. What we're doing now, we're going to pump a little bit of transmission fluid through it, and you can see there's the fluid that's coming out. Pretty dark, pretty murky. So this allows us to flush this differential assembly out. Once we feel like the fluid is good and clean, we've extracted all the contamination, we will refill it with the correct gear oil for that differential assembly.